Hi students, in this session we are going to discuss about the Power BI. So the introduction of Power BI, it is a business analytical tool. So it's developed by the Microsoft. So it is enables users to visualize and analyze the data. So basically we are transforming the raw information. So the raw information, and then we are collecting the raw information. Based on the information we are into the analyzing the actionable sites. So in these insights, with the features like interactive dashboards and then reporting and seamlessly integration with the various data sources like Power BI, this empowers the organization to make data-driven decision and gain the deeper understanding of the business performance. So in this Power BI, so basically by using of this Power BI, we are performing the sale performance sale performance dashboard, human resource dashboard, and website analytics and healthcare performance metrics. So, like these examples are you can see in the real-time examples of Power BI. So, Power BI is one of the tool which can be used to get the tracking of sales metric in the sales performance dashboard. We are getting the sales and to review and top selling the products of the region performance, and it is enables the trends of allowing the business to adjust the strategy. So come to the social media and financial KPI monitoring, supply chain monitoring. These are fulfill the supply performance in the real time, so which can be reduce the delay and optimize the inventory. In the same way, the website analytics. So the website analytics of the data, tracking of the website traffic, and user behavior and the conversation and rating. So based on the real-time insights, we can able to go with this Power BI. So actually, what is the information and how we can analyze the data? So let's see. So this is one small example which I can take from the scenario. Like this is a employee data. So in this employee data, there are some first name, middle name, and last name. So this is a raw data. Actually, we can take an example. So there is a sugar cane. This is a raw sugar cane factory. So how the sugar cane is converted into the different multiple resources we are getting based on one product. So the petroleum, the crude oil. From the crude oil, we are getting the petroleum, and there are different type of oils we are getting from the crude oil. So in the same way, the Power BI, the raw of the data, raw of the information, so we are collecting the information, and based on the using of the macro soft tool of Power BI, so then we are getting the data. So let's see here. So this is a one small data which I used to convert it into the insight of this complete data. Here the male having the more salaries than females in the one organization, and also the in this department there are the multiple department, and which department is having the more uh, part of sales, like the salaries, the more salaries they are getting in the during the department. So how can we see the insights of the particular data? So let's see everyone. So here this is the Excel. So this is the raw data. How we can use the raw data? So we need to use the raw data first. So we can, here you can see how many lines we can have. So this is like when you click on this top first one, so you can see 1046. So 1046 lines, and then we can't able to do the mapping in this Excel sheet. So Excel sheet is not is preferable to take insights of this data. So actually we are using the Power BI tool. So the Power project, management. Okay, click on OK. So if you click on OK, directly it is transform the data, and then you can see after the transforming of the complete cleaning of the data, we must click on this close and apply. Okay, close and apply. If we click on close and apply, the actual data is loading here. The data 1045 rows are adding here, so you can see in the data. So now we are take the insight of the particular data. So first of all, how much salary we have to play to the each and every department. So let's take one card here. This is one slicer, and this is the KPI. So we are using the card first. Okay, first must represent the card like this card, and I am using the salary. So you will get the salary here 174 millions. 74 millions. How can I change the value? Can I change the first value here? So display the units. If you have to use thousands, so thousand you can use. If you want to use the decimal places, I can use the decimal places. So I am using the two decimal places. And then here there is thousands, right? You can take it as million is the best. Okay. Then next one. So what is the label? Category label. I just hide this category label, and I am using to add the title. So sum of the salaries. So it must be having some font. You can use based on the requirement. So then you must add into the middle. Okay, then use like this. So if you want to change any particular background, you can use the background color as well. Here you can use background color like this. Okay, for this complete heading. Okay, for title we are using like this. And when you go to the next one, so how many salaries, how much of salaries we can able to pay to the organization of employees? So we must pay 73.85 millions. Next one is we can take one stacked bar chart. This stacked bar chart is representing the males and females of females are in the organization having the salaries. Okay, so who are the more members and how many members are take the salaries? So which there are men or women. So next one is first take the first gender. Okay, then next salary. If you click on it, automatically the salary will be displayed like this. So once you get the salaries, and then you must take x-axis and y-axis like this. Okay, the x-axis, y-axis, we must take the title, the middle. So title you must add in the into the middle. Okay, so there is a title here. They show title only, units only, title only, units only. So you just increase the font size little bit. So based on the requirement, we can able to go. The next one, title. So in the next one is a title. So title we can represent. So like this we can represent the middle. You should mention the title in the middle. Okay. Next one. So what we can do? The next one we have to check the next project management and every department salaries based on the requirement. So I'm adding the salary and the department. So you must take it's not, you should not take this chart. Okay, you must use this pie chart department. Based on the department, the salaries are many, like how much salary are having the more department. So we have to pay the more salaries to the one department. Here you can also see which is the more, project management, product management is a more. So we can able to see the insights in the organization like this. So this is how we can represent the Power BI insight. Okay. So in the Power BI insight, employee salaries, we are just display like insight. Okay. So mainly, what is the various analysis we can able to say the salary distribution first. We can say, so based on this, how it is helpful for the organization. We can directly go to here. So how it is effectively utilization of, it is like we can say first one is first salary distribution. Next one is compensation cost. Next one is employee performance and salary dispensary identification to overcome the bonus and employee turnover analysis, and then departmental salary breakdown. So based on that, we are leveraging the Power BI with the employee salary data, so organization can gain the valuable insight into their compensation structure and make informed decisions and ensure their fair and competitive remuneration for their workforce. So this is how we can go with the Power BI tool. So this is the one of the tool we are using in the data analysis. So actually, this Power BI, we can valuable tool we can use in this field of data science for the visualization, analyzing, and the presenting the insight from the different data sets. So that data exploration and cleaning and data integration and transmission and descriptive analysis and predictive analysis and interactive dashboards for the model of output and the performance monitoring also, then automated report as well. So this is overall about complete about the department employee data using the Power BI tool. Thank you.